Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got another cool knife to do a disassembly and cleaning of. This is the Poikilo VK Crab. This is another one of the knives that's on loan to me from FredTheLug, and this knife is really cool. Works really well, but this is not the review. This is disassembly and cleaning. And so this one's another interesting one that that we've done in the past, and I'll have to remember if it's I think it's a T6, and I actually bought these so that I could get to those screws that are in here. And it's not a T6; it must be it's either a T7 or a T8. Let's try the T8. Okay. So we gotta loosen that one. Alright, got that screw. Don't think it actually has to come all the way out, but I'll show you that here in just a second. Let's drop that out. Nice big pivot screw. And now we gotta get this to move so we can. Oops. Actually, I may have to do this. Okay. Got it loosened here. And I put that screw back in so I could move that piece that holds everything together. And we got bits and pieces coming out here. Let's see if I could push out. No, it's not wanting to come out just yet. And I have taken apart a couple of these, and it should come apart, but there's pretty tight tolerances on these, and you can see some separations started there. And let me get a plastic tool here and see if I can encourage it. There we go. And folks, you see here why you need a stop pin. That was a bad joke, I know. Okay. Just gently trying to get the separation. There we go. Well, I felt some movement there. There we go. So you got all these pins, but you've got this piece here that that you screw in, and it pulls these little ears back up into the scale like so, and holds both the sides together. We got bearings here, and again, very good bearings it looks like. Let's get that pivot into the alcohol there. You got washers there. I don't know that they're wanting to come out. But I'm not going to force them because I can easily wipe those. So you got some nice milling. Do some really good job on that. Poikilo, that is. So let's wipe that off. Let's wipe that off again. It's not just milled out. It's nicely milled out. You can see the weight reduction there with that inlay. Whoops. I think I dropped a pin maybe. Let's check. I did drop a pin and I don't know where it, there it is. It would appear that it goes right there. Okay. And let me grab a cotton tip applicator. And I want to clean out these areas where those bearings go. Both sides. And I also want to get that lock face. Make sure it's nice and clean. Poikilo knives just are, they feel different. Look at the chamfering inside the opening hole. You get your little nice touch of the, what I assume is copper or brass pin there. Just I mean, there's nothing functional about it. It's just cool. Looks nice. Okay, get that cleaned up. We've got this larger stop pin. I'm going to clean that up. And let's see, let's put it back in here. No, let's put it in here. And in fact, I'm going to move that one over. Reason being, I'm going to take this and flip it over. And might make it a little easier if everything is over on this side. Alright. Let me make sure I've got that nicely wiped. And I'm going to get a fresh alcohol swab, because now I'm going to get the bearings and pivot out of the alcohol, dry that off, and then we're going to start putting this back together. Very nice, thick, and a lot of there we go, a lot of balls in that bearing. It almost looks like these are skiffs already. I could be wrong, but that's what it looks like. Alright, we can clean this nice big pivot off. And set that to the side to dry. Grab the pivot screw. It's getting away from me. And I'm just going to take in and twist that a few times to clean those threads. You can see that effort was not wasted. Okay, and dry that. Let's go ahead and pop that pivot in here. And let's see, I think it may need, oops. Tried to lose that stop pin again. And dropped another pin again. Okay, grab one of these bearings, drop it on the pivot. I'm going to put a little bit on each side there. I'm going to put a drop there. Come on that detent ball. Grab this blade, slide that on, drop the bearing on. We're going to put a drop of Gunny Glide on each side here. All right, and no extra parts that I see. So now we're going to find this piece here that I need to put into place. I'm going to drop that in right there. And then we're going to try to slide everything back together. Okay, got everything back together. I'm going to take this T8, tighten that. That's good to go. Now I'm going to take and put a little bit of the Loctite stick on there. It doesn't take a whole lot either, just a little bit. And I'm going to tighten that down, not too crazy. Centering looks good. Got a little bit of movement there, so we're going to tighten it a little bit more. Centering is still good. Action is very good. I still got a little bit of movement there. And I want to check something because I don't want to tighten down too far, but we still got some movement there. Just a little hair of a movement there. And we don't want that. So we'll actually loosen that. And then I'm going to tighten this back. Okay, now I'm going to tighten this one down. There we go. I like that a lot better. And the action feels really good. It's really hydraulic. So there you have it. That's the Poikilo VK Crab. Really nice knife, and looks really good too. But hope you've enjoyed the disassembly and cleaning. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. Hope to see y'all again soon. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Really appreciate you watching. Thank you.